Welcome back, friends. Today I have for you some fun Valentine's Day crafts you can do with your kiddos during this season. I'm going to start with these construction paper from Dollar Tree. Just different colors is fine. A piece of poster board and four markers, a red, purple, pink, and black, but you can choose any colors you want. Two regular sized popsicle sticks, and I'm going to use my hot glue, but you can also use any glue you want, and my scissors, of course, and a pencil. All right, so we are going to cut off a piece of the poster board. Now, we are just going to start by cutting off the shape of a heart. So I'd like to fold the poster board in half and then cut out the half part of a heart. And that way you have a nice shaped heart. Now we're going to take that one and we are going to use it to trace it on the construction paper. And I'm just going to keep all the papers stacked on top of each other. And then I'm going to cut them together. That way all of them are going to have the same exact shape and size. Once cut, that we are going to start attaching them to the white heart that we cut out earlier. We're creating a fun little Valentine's Day card your kiddos can use to give to their friends at school or even family members. I'm going to arrange them in the color scheme that I want and then fold all the hearts in halfway. Now we're going to start with the pink one here. We're just going to glue one half of it, so just that one side. And then we're going to pick the next color and hot glue it to the other side, just like that. Again, just one half. We're going to do this until all the hearts are attached. I attached that last one to the poster board as well, and now we have this cute little 3D heart in multicolor. We're going to take another piece of the poster board. We're going to cut out and make a small little card. I'm going to fold it in half and then I'm just going to trim the sides to the size that I want and make sure they're nice and straight. This is where you can write any message you want. I chose to write "Thank you for your friendship" because I think it's pretty universal and could be given to any friend. Then with the colorful markers, I'm just going to add little hearts here and there just to add a little bit of color and just fun, festive Valentine's Day theme. And I'm going to do them on both sides. Now we're going to attach everything together. We're first going to attach the popsicle sticks to the heart, and I'm going to do that with the popsicle sticks a little closer at the top and a little wider at the bottom. And then we're going to attach the little tiny card right there. It looks like a hot air balloon, and I think it's absolutely adorable. You can write the friend's name in the front, just like I did here, and I think it's so fun. I love the heart, how it's 3D and multicolors, but I love to know what you think of this one. Let me know down in the comments. For this next Valentine's Day craft, we're going to take the same construction paper we used earlier, another piece of poster board, any size you want. I'm going to use a pair of scissors, of course. I'm also going to be using two markers. This time I'm going to use the red and the black, but you can use any color you want. I'm going to use this puzzle piece maker. I got this on Amazon recently and I love using it. I'm going to show you how it works. All right, so I'm going to fold the poster board here in half. And then I'm going to cut it into a greeting card, the size that I want. Again, whatever size you want. This one's going to be a little bit more on the traditional size of a greeting card. Once I had it trimmed into the size that I wanted, I'm going to take the markers and I'm going to start writing a very simple message. And it's going to say, "I love you" to pieces. And I'm just going to place the love in a red. That way, just add a little bit more character. I'm going to add the remaining of the phrase to the bottom, leaving the center completely blank, because this is where we're going to add the puzzle pieces to the center. I'm going to leave the construction paper nicely stacked together and place it inside. You want to leave it to where it's flush to the top and the inside of it. And keep punching until you have as many pieces as you want. Then in the little drawer, when you pull it out, it has all the pieces. And look how cute! You can actually make an entire puzzle with this. It's so fun. Now I'm going to use white glue. I thought about using the hot glue, but white glue worked really well for this. And I'm just going to start gluing all the pieces to the center. I ended up not using all of them, and that's okay. But I staggered the colors in a nice, kind of like even way. And that's it. Now inside of the greeting card, of course, you can write whatever message you want. I think the possibilities are endless. You can use any color scheme you want, but I love the way it turned out. So colorful, so simple and easy to make. I think your kids will love making this one. But what do you think? Let me know down in the comments. For this next Valentine's Day craft, we are going to take another piece of poster board, a piece of vinyl from Dollar Tree, 5 different color markers, whatever ones you want. I like to have the chiseled tip on this one. It works really well, but whatever you have is fine. I'm going to use my scissors, a golden marker, although that marker is optional. And we're going to start by, again, cutting the greeting card in the size you want. Again, whatever size you want. I'm going to trim the edges nice and straight. Once I have them cut, I'm going to cut a piece of the vinyl. I'm going to fold it in half. And again, I'm going to cut out half of a heart. That way, it'll give me a nice shaped heart with both sides nice and even. Then I'm going to remove the back just like a sticker and place the heart in the center of the front of the greeting card. Now I'm going to take all the markers and I'm just going to start drawing lines. I'm going to do 2 lines per color. And then I'm just going to start going across and then going over the heart. That way, we are creating the shape of the heart with the markers without having to draw the heart. I think you know where I'm going with this. So I'm going to keep alternating the colors just like a rainbow all the way down. Now, full disclosure, this is my first one. I had to end up doing a second one. I'll tell you why here, because the vinyl stuck to the poster board like you wouldn't believe. I think I just pressed on it way too hard when I was sticking it. And when I pulled it, it pulled the paper and it ruined it. So this one you see here right now is the second card I had to make. But that's okay. Maybe use something that's not as sticky. All right, I'm going to use the golden marker and I'm just going to make little different hearts in the front all around the main heart. And then I am going to remove the sticker. This time I didn't press on it too hard and it still stuck really well. But I just took my time and I wanted to make sure it was not going to pull the paper of the poster board. I was devastated. I was like, oh gosh. Anyways, so I'm just going to pull it here very carefully. And as you can see, you have now the shape of a heart and it looks so cute. You can write any message you want to the inside of the greeting card, of course. I love all the colors. And if you don't have a golden marker, you can use black or red, whatever you want. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. I have another video here for you with tons more of Valentine's Day crafts inspiration. Check it out. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.